Namaste. Myself, Lalita, Secretary of Alpha English School, located at Chaudeshwar Nagar, Legere. Shramajini Jayate, which means work hard will succeed. This is our motto. So, dear parents, I want to give you a brief introduction about our school journey. So, our school has established in 2004 and we are very proud to say that we are going to complete 20 years of our journey, which is very incredible and proud to say about it. And dear parents, so when we started the school, it was just a small plant which we sowed into the soil. But due to the cooperation and coordination of the parents, the staff and the non-teaching staff, our plant has grown into a very big tree where n number of children are getting very good education and also good manners and discipline. So here this tree which has been grown is being branched into 3 branches. That is, the first we come for the nursery and the second is the primary, the third is high school. So here I want to give a brief introduction about our primary school, which is extraordinary here. So in this primary school we have introduced the credo, which means the child will be able to read with the help of the phonics. Here we teach the children with playing, and also the children will learn with playing more, and with playing they understand very much about their curriculum, and all the children will be able to get a good and effective education. Here, our teachers of nursery, they give a mother touch to the children and they take care of our children, and they see that each and every child of our nursery children are able to get effective and a very good education. The children from the nursery section will be promoted towards the primary section. Here, the children have to develop a skill in reading and writing. Here the teacher, they sow the seed of knowledge, and this knowledge will grow forever in the children. And also the teachers mold the children for developing the skill in reading and writing. And also the teachers give concentration to each individual child in the class to do good in their academic. And also periodical tests and unit tests which will be given and make the children to improve their academic wise. The next branch of our school is a high school. So here the high school, that is the persistence and also the hard work together will give a very good results, which is the example of our high school. So in our high school we have got children around 250 children, where they are given a good education and also the child will be overall developed. That is in reading, writing, analyzing and also thinking and observation. And also the teachers of our high school are well qualified and experienced teachers. And these teachers, they impart a very good knowledge to the children, and also that knowledge will be given equally to all the children in the class and to do good in their academic. So here the children get the knowledge from the text, but the teacher converts that knowledge to wisdom to the children. And also I am very proud to say that our school has been successfully getting results of 100% for continuous 6 years with the great efforts of our teachers. And also I am very proud to say that distinction holders are more in number, not only in their academic but also in their curriculum and also in sports. In sports, our high school children are good and they have achieved wonderful in their cluster level, in their district level and in the state level. So the different type of sports which are played by our children are kabaddi, kho-kho and also cricket, chess and so on, which they have achieved wonderful achievement in their sports. So I would like to say that the continuous and the hard work which has been continued for so many years will also continue forever, and which will add up a feather to our school and which will fly higher and higher to achieve our motto. Hope the parents will coordinate with us and will cooperate with us for the further achievement of our school. Thank you, parents.
ಬಳಪ ಹಿಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವೋ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣೆ ಬರಹ ತಿದ್ದಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ದ ಬೆಳಕು ತೋರಲು ನಯವಾಗಿ ಗದರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಭಾಷೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಡಿಸೋ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಡಿಸೋ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಬರೆವಂತ ತಂದೇನೋ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆವಂತ ತಂದೇನೋ ಆಗಿ ಚಂದದ ಜೀವನನ ನೀಡಿರೋ ಗುರುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ಬಳಪ ಹಿಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವೋ ಹಣೆ ಬರಹ ತಿದ್ದಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ಮಾನವ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸತ್ಯದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹದ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಸೂಚಿ ಗುರುವೇ ಜನುಮ